So the next one just deals with liters instead of grams, but it's the same basic thing. They're giving you a quantity of something. They're asking you to put it into moles. They're getting you to use this to figure out the ratio of moles to change it, and then you're continuing on with your conversion from there. So this one tells us we have 50 liters of carbon dioxide gas at STP. So right now you should trigger gas at STP. 22.4 liters per mole is going to be something useful for me. And they're asking for the mass, and so you should probably assume that you're going to need the molar mass as well, because you know you're going from moles to mass. So you can write down your molar mass for water, because that's going to be a conversion that will be helpful to you. Now we start with the thing we're given, which is 50.0 liters of carbon dioxide, and then we immediately want to get rid of those liters of carbon dioxide. So I want to use my conversion with liters right away. I've got 22.4 liters for every 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So now I've got moles of carbon dioxide to get rid of, and I know that I can do that by comparing them to moles of water. And I do that here. So I've got water and I've got carbon dioxide. So moles of CO2 is 3, moles of water is 4, and I continue on. So now I want to get rid of the moles of water, and I want grams of water in my final equation, or final answer. So that's where this comes in. I have 18 grams for every 1 mole of water. Now I've set up my equation. I should be able to, I can either just go 22.4 times 3 and leave that on the bottom, and multiply all these guys and then divide by that, or go one step at a time. I don't care, whatever works for you. Play with it, see which one is more comfortable for you to do. Most of the time I find that it's easier to solve the top and then solve the bottom and then divide, or if you want to just put it all in your calculator, you would multiply all of these guys together and divide by these guys in brackets. So it would end up being something like 50 times 1 times 4 times 18, and then divided by bracket 22.4 times 3, close bracket. That ought to work. Oh yeah, I should probably tell you the answer, although it's in your book. This was C, so when we get through this whole thing, we should get 53.6 grams of water.